Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. Matter of fact, I'm making 3 videos a day every single day. So there's going to be something that you like. So go ahead and smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I promise not to waste your time, give you all stuff and no fluff. Nobody wants to see a bunch of fluff. I value your time. Check out the comment section below for updated data points, add to the conversation. Put any questions that you have about credit, and we and me will answer all the questions that we can to help you in your credit journey to get access to high limit funding, okay? Also, for all of my radical marketers out there, subscribe to the channel. Salute to you. You guys are blowing up the channel. This is quickly becoming one of the fastest YouTube channels growing on YouTube, and it's because of you. And then also, if you haven't joined the private Facebook group already, you need to do so. There is credit hacks going all over the place, left and right. It's free to join. Link is in the description below. All right, guys, we are going to talk about SECU Credit Union. We call it the House of Easy Approvals and High Limits, okay? So I'm going to go through the plethora of credit cards that they offer. But before I do, I need to talk about how you can even get into SECU, because you need to be a part of the credit union before you actually start taking advantage of their credit products, okay? A lot of you guys have seen my Navy Federal videos that have gone viral on YouTube and said, hey, can you do more reviews on credit unions? We want to know what else is out there so we can get more high credit funding for our business and for our personal life. And so that's what we're doing all month. We're covering a ton of credit unions that you may never seen. We have an entire playlist, so check out the credit union playlist as well. You guys want to binge watch on all the videos. Seriously, there's a lot of information on this channel for free. So SECU is open nationwide. It doesn't matter where you live in the nation. You can easily just click open an account and literally become a member of SECU without ever having to go to Maryland. SECU is based in Maryland, but you don't have to be in Maryland. You can be in any state, and you can join through an association that they offer when you join the membership, okay? Every credit union is going to have that pretty much, so that way that's a backdoor approach that you can get in legally without having to be part of the affiliation, whether, like for NASA, for example, they have a way to get in even if you don't work at NASA. For PenFed, they have a way to get in and you don't have to be military. So there's always backdoor approaches. So SECU is going to be open nationwide on the business and the personal side, and then it's going to be a soft pull for membership, which is key. There's many credit unions that do a hard pull. SECU will do a soft pull for membership. How are their credit decisions made? Well, they either pull Equifax or Experian, depending on what you're going for. I don't have a clear-cut answer on the data points for you on that. I've heard conflicting reports on the data boards and from different people. So you're going to have to do your own research on that. Just be ready for Equifax or Experian to be pulled. From my experience, most of the time credit unions pull Equifax. That's been my experience. But there are many that do pull Experian, so you have to be aware of that, okay? Like I said, easy approvals and high limits. So let's go over these, okay? And if you guys have SEU, put a comment section below. If you have it, what's your experience been? Okay, let's cover the first card. The Visa Signature Card, okay? All of the credit cards are going to have no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee, and no foreign transaction fee. What does that sound like to you guys, people? Navy Federal Credit Union, right? All of these things apply to Navy Federal Credit Union as well. SECU, you don't have to be in the military. Their credit cards have the max limit of $30,000. Pretty decent limit for a credit union, okay? Especially the size of SECU. And they've actually had quite a bit of good reviews as well, so you can look into them as well. The Signature Credit is going to give you 3x points back on dining, travel, Amazon, and iTunes. A lot of people like that. 2x points on gas and groceries, and 1x on all of the purchases. It's a pretty good card to have, okay? You're gonna earn a lot of points. You're gonna use it if you're gonna use personal cards. I like business cards, but to each its own. You earn 25,000 bonus points, right? And then you can literally see all of the information if you click on that. I'm gonna put the links in the description so you can see it. They also have a good cash back card. Earn 2% cash back on gas and groceries, 1% back on all of the purchases. It's pretty good. I like that a lot. Again, no fees, which is really good. And you can redeem cash back for a statement credit or deposit to your checking or savings account. I like that a lot as well. We also have the rewards Visa card. That one's going to have points with no limit and no expiration. Earn 1 reward point per dollar purchase redeemable on more than 1,600 reward items. They'll never expire. Once again, no fees, no limits. Okay. The first rate Visa card, that's going to have the lowest APR. This has got 8.99%, 10.99%, 11 point. So this is going to be like their lowest interest rate. So if you just want the lowest rate card, this is what you want to go with. If you're planning on carrying a balance, that's not a horrible interest rate. I don't like carrying balances. I don't pay interest, but in case you did, there you go. Starter, this is going to help people build a solid credit history, whether you're beginning your career, starting a family, or establishing or reestablishing your credit. So bad credit, no credit, this is the way that you want to go. And you'll also be able to earn points as well for that as well. Secured Visa card, okay? Same thing, no fees on it. All right, you're going to be able to secure it with the limit that you put on there. So if you put $10,000, the limit's going to be $10,000, reporting to all of the credit bureaus. This is an easy way for you guys to create a revolving trade line, primary trade line, and start rebuilding your credit. If you don't have good credit and you want to get some of these unsecured cards on the top, a good way to do it is through a secured Visa card. You can get that. I don't know if it graduates or not. I wasn't able to see that, okay? But this is an easy way for you to get in the door, build your relationship, and get high access funding on the credit cards once you've proven that you can manage credit on a secured card. And then they also have a Visa student card. I like this because the credit limit isn't horrible on it. A lot of student cards, the interest rate is horrible, and because students usually carry a balance. Now, let's look at this right here as well. You can kind of actually go and look at all the disclosures, right? So all of there's no transaction fees there. There's no annual fees there. You can kind of look at I always recommend people look at the fine print because you can actually see your due date is at least 25 days after the close. Boom. Okay. You can literally see on each card what is the interest rate, what's different about them. And I always recommend people just look at what's in this fine print, right? What's a credit line? You know, what's your monthly payment? What's the finance charge? It's good to look at that. Guys, I'm not going to bore you guys to death. I want to keep this video short. Do me a huge favor. Like the video. Throw a comment in. Throw a question in. If you have a question about credit, drop it in the comments below. I answer questions within 24 hours and try to get to all of them over time. Join the private Facebook group. If you want me to do a review on a credit union, put that in the comment section below. Do you have SEU? Do you like these cards? Are they keepers? Are they not? In my opinion, I won't go for SECU. I'm going to pass on SECU, and the reason for that is because I have a lot of different credit unions that I'm going to be banking with. SECU just doesn't do it for me. $30,000 limits are great, but with that being said, there's other credit unions out there that I think are better to bank with because they have more of a plethora of credit products. Let me know what you guys think, though. If you guys like it, let me know why, and let me know that you like it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.